It is Sunday afternoon, March 5th, 2023. We're at the Metra Amtrak LaGrange Road Station, LaGrange, Illinois. Now we're looking east down the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway Chicago Subdivision. We just doubled our pleasure. First we had what might be the really super hotshot Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway intermodal. Probably originated not too far east of here at the Cicero, Illinois BNSF intermodal terminal, probably headed possibly headed to the South Seattle, Washington intermodal terminal, where every trailer and container might be guaranteed for on-time arrival. Otherwise, BNSF pays a penalty. I counted about 95 platforms, 2 General Electric DPUs on their bringing up the rear, distributed power units. Then we had Amtrak number 5, the westbound California Zephyr, headed from Chicago Union Station to Emeryville, California, with a connecting Amtrak thruway bus from Emeryville across San Francisco Bay to San Francisco, California. 49 degrees this afternoon. Again, LaGrange, Illinois, Sunday afternoon, March 5th, 2023. Metra Amtrak, LaGrange Road Station, Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway, Chicago Subdivision, over and out.